Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitter account to Medium and why you should do that. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if on the homepage you cannot see the connect to Twitter button, then you can you can connect your profile to Twitter. If you go to your profile, then click on the settings, scroll down, and you should see at the connections section the connect to Twitter. We will never post to Twitter or message your followers without your permission. All right, so this is important. And if you would like that, click on the connect to Twitter. You have to give your username or email, your password, you have to sign in, and then you're all set. So why you should connect your Medium account to Twitter? Because in this way you can get more views, you can share your articles, you can connect your followers and other people from Twitter to your Medium account, and in this way you can reach more people and you can earn more money, obviously. So this is really great, and I think that you should do that. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.